NQK 11. Yeah, this N works. I like either one, the diving one or this one. Just obviously you've got to tweak the timing between Felipe and Fred. But yeah, it's useful. Okay, I really like the B slot 11s, guys. Awesome timing. Look at that. That is so good. Felipe, sometimes you wait a little long for the second move. Unlike Manuel, who prefers to go a little too soon, you sometimes wait a little long at this position. This is okay. Well, actually, it's a little to hair long. But yeah, just so we've got 1 and now 2. Boom. Yeah, and you just got to get used to that little 2. So it goes. There's the 1 at 180, that's perfect. And now that we see this target, the door is open, Marconi's gone through, now we should be seeing your leg engage as a rotation. Yeah, so it looks like you're just thinking about going up and back. Just kind of get the rotation going, Felipe, and see it as a full 180 from that point. So we go to here, and then now just do another 180. It won't quite go all the way 180, but don't worry about too much of the translation side of it. But in general, I really like you guys B slot 11s. The back pair, styling on the back. Let's just have a little look. So 1, Marconi goes, 2, Fred flips through. Super nice, guys. Nice K builds there, Felipe, as well. That's not the easiest K build. Q to K, keeping your hips in the right place. Also keeping a really good square body position here. Not tweaking your body position. That helps that Manuel is leaving himself in a really good position for you on that. So 1, 2, there we go. That's probably one of the better ones, Felipe, when you get the 2 stage at the right time. We go up on the front, 1, and then 2. Yeah, and that's more of a flick, more of a 180, which makes it a little bit easier. The ones where you get stalled on the front are the ones where you have the little issues. So that's a really good one for timing on the front. Here we go up, 180, and then 180, and just keep the levels, stay hovering up. You see here how you're arching through that move. Do the move that you're doing, Felipe, keep your head looking in there, that's perfect. Don't worry about the catch, it's coming on its own. And then just stay hovering up here with Manuel so we don't get this happening at the end. You see what happens at the end? You guys should just rotate together and then drop into position for the catch as one rather than as 2 different levels. Awesome randoms in the B slot, guys. Hey, let's just build a slightly tighter 11 there, Manuel, on the front. Yeah, just see how wide that is. Makes it tough for Fred to get the move. Now, I think I've covered the key elements here. Actually, you know, this is a really good position to watch the rear of the 11. See how the rear piece drops together. Marconi, he goes down and then through sideways. There's the 180 point, not too soon, Fred. And then, yeah, that's a little too soon there, Fred, actually. It's a really good picture of the start. But Fred, just hang out a little bit, because if you start to go underneath these guys here, now, okay, ideally, Felipe would have made his move now. But we've got a little issue on the front. Felipe is hanging on a little too long. But if he does go now, Fred, you can make your move. But you need to be looking up and seeing that there's movement in that direction so that you guys go through together. Because if you go through too soon, you end up taking out Manuel and Felipe with your burble. There we go. So a little bit of an issue on the timing, but otherwise some really good stuff on the B slots.